You don't need perfect lines to start drawing. You just need to start drawing. Hi, I'm Michael Coxon, and this is the first of the Back to Basics series for absolute beginners. This lesson today is about how to make basic lines, and especially I'm going to show you how to make a tone chart. And in doing that, you'll start practicing hatching straight away. Before we start, I'd like to just introduce you to the materials. Well, this is 135 GSM Munger paper. It's very, very smooth, and it's got guidelines on one side. So very useful. The pencils, HB, 4B, much darker, 6B, even more dark, and some mechanical pencils, 0.5 with a 2B lead, 0.3 with a 1B lead, and a little duster for clearing off any rubbish. So here we've got some vertical lines, and we don't want to worry ourselves making them perfect or anything like that. Just practice this drawing vertically and get your hand in a comfortable position. And here's some horizontal lines. Once again, just don't worry too much that they're not perfect or anything like that, but do some horizontal lines. That'll get you thinking. Here's some oblique lines, and you practice these on all of a piece of paper over and over and over again. So maybe get a notepad or a pad of relatively good but cheap drawing paper, and start your drawing career right from the start. Draw these lines over and over and over again, just horizontal, vertical, oblique one way and oblique the other. Now, I've already done a part of this because it takes forever, but I want you to practice hatching. And I'm holding the pencil right down the end, and I'm drawing very lightly. Even though I'm using a 2B lead, I'm making sure that I don't make it too dark straight away. It's absolutely important that you don't rush in. So draw with a very light and sensitive touch, and you'll get really good at drawing just by even doing hatching, because you're holding the pencil and you're drawing with it, and that's the good thing about it. Now, I said at the start I'm going to teach you how to make a tone chart, and it's coming up now. It starts from the right side, and once again we build up these tones very slowly. It gets lighter as it gradually goes across, and I recommend that you make a tone chart with a 9 square is my favorite, but I've left this relatively light, still enough contrast in it, but you later will want to do that right side much even darker. But I don't want you to rush into this, so make these tone charts and just put it in your book and do them over and over, and you'll be amazed how quickly you learn how to judge the various tones. Now, it's very important to do this gradually. I would recommend spending at least an hour. Now that's 9 squares. It's 2 centimetre squares, and I recommend you start on this and practice, and that way you'll get good at drawing it. As you can see, you know, you're just holding the pencil loosely. You're not going to rush or anything like that. Now I'm mixing the leads now. I'm going from 0.5 2B lead to a number 6B lead for the very dark areas. But we want to try and have an even step, if you like, with this tone chart. It's essential. So here I've got it more complete. Now here you've got the tone chart going, you know, stepping gradually from dark till light. There's 9 squares, so please make some tone charts. And there I've done, down below I've done some hatching, some lines which are vertical, horizontal, oblique one way and oblique the other way. And I recommend just filling your page with all of those lines, just holding the pencil loosely and trying to get those lines not perfect. You know, we're not hoping to be perfect yet, but we'll endeavour. So please like and subscribe to my channel. Don't miss out on any further videos. This is my new approach to teaching, where I'm trying to teach raw beginners, absolute beginners. So please give it a like, give it a tick, give it a thumbs up, give it a comment, absolutely. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot.